Yes, finally, I found a dash camera system which I wanted to have in my car, which ticks all the options and the great video recording. Just have a look at it. Write me in the comment section below that which camera system you have which can beat this one. What's up guys, Naresh here and you are watching Naresh Television. If you are new here, why not click onto the subscribe button, because here on my channel you're going to see good stuff for your Kodi streaming world and some fantastic tech product reviews for the products you like to keep in daily use, not in the corner of your house. And if you're already my subscriber, thank you very much for being there for me. Now yes, you got me right in the beginning of this video. I have really found a dash cam which I always wanted, which ticks all the boxes for me to have it in my car. This dash camera is by Viofo and model number is A129 Duo, which covers the front as well as rear of my car. So technically I'm fully covered from pancracks. Pancracks? Yes, people who do frauds. Let me first tell you the key feature of this dash camera, which I'm sure all of you are going to like as well. First one is a dual channel, so you're recording front as well as the rear of your car. Second one, the lens. Both cameras, front as well as the rear, are capable to record full HD 1080p recording at 30 frames per second. Both cameras are equipped with a 140-degree wide angle with the aperture of 1.6 and 7G high glass lens. Now the camera sensor, which is very important, it comes with the Sony Starvis lens, which is very good to do the nighttime recording. So technically you're going to get a great nighttime recording and you will clearly be able to see the number plate in the night time as well. Well, the camera which I ordered, it comes with the built-in GPS as well as the Bluetooth remote control. Came with this optional CPL filter, circular polarizing lens, which will help you to reduce the reflection as well as the glare from your windscreen as well as the road surface without damaging your footage. So in the end, you end up having the good footage recorded on your dash cam. Dash cam also came with the dual band Wi-Fi. That means that you can use on your latest phones as well as on old mobile phones. Now by using the mobile phone application, you can change the settings of the camera as well as download the footage from the micro SD card. Now this camera also gives you an option of installing 256 gigabytes of memory card, which is pretty massive to be honest with you for the dash cam. But it's recording front as well as rear, that would be ideal to have. Now as usual, let's go ahead with the unboxing, following with the recorded footage and conclusion. Let's have a look what we have in the box. One standard mini USB cable for front camera charging, couple of clips with the 3M sticker to tidy up wiring, and a trim opening tool, which is very handy to have. Two camera mount with the 3M adhesive pads and some extra 3M sticky pads. One dual car charger with the output of 5 volt and 3.1 ampere. One 1 meter mini USB cable for data transfer. One communication cable between front and rear camera with marked front as well as rear connection. One user manual which provide information on product, installation, operation and so much more. One full HD 1080p rear camera, where on the back of camera we have a port for communication and on top notch to slide in the adhesive pad. Lens assembly moves up and down, which will give you freedom of mounting it how you like it. Now in last but not least, we have our Viofo A129 front camera, where in the front of the camera we have a 2-inch HD display, in the bottom all the buttons to access the menu. Now in one of his side we have a reset pin as well as a micro SD card slot, which supports up to 250 gigabytes of and a mic input. Now on the other side of camera you have a mini USB port for the charging this camera, AV output port as well as the rear camera connection. Camera also got some extra air vents on both sides. Now in the base of camera you have 4 slots to install the windscreen mount. Camera we have, now as obvious, in the front of camera we have a 140-degree wide angle and also come with a 7G high quality lens with the Sony Starvis image sensor. As soon as powered, it will start recording straight away. Now you cannot access the menu while it's recording. To access the menu, by pressing this REC button. Now once the recording is stopped, you're going to see camera will be bleeping to notify you that it's now recording. Click this menu button to access the menu, where you're going to see the access within the resolution, bitrate, live video sources, loop recording, WDR, exposure, parking mode, time-lapse recording, motion detection, GPS, speed unit, G sensor, Wi-Fi setting if you like to use the app. Next is the time stamp, GPS information stamp, camera model stamp, and so much more. I would highly recommend every one of you to format the SD card when you install it first time, so we'll make sure that it is suitable to your dash cam. Now from the point of options and the user interface, camera seems to be very decent. Now let's have a look into the daytime recording. You have seen it, daytime recording of front as well as the rear dash cam. Now let's have a look into the night time recording. daytime as well as the nighttime recording, and the both footage are fantastic, to be honest with you. Now in my opinion, I personally think this camera is worth buying 100%. And I'm not seeing any issue other than one issue which can be resolved by a software update by UFO. Well, the issue was when you enable the Wi-Fi, you can't use this button anymore on the camera. So that is the only problem I found. Other than that, no problem whatsoever. No radio signal interference, which I noticed on my last CR900 dual dash camera, where I wasn't been able to use my car fob as well as the DAB radio signal. I tend to review products in very detail and show you everything which I can find as a normal user. So that will be all, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you still have more questions or any reservation regarding this VFO product, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you right in there. There we go, guys. Shall see you soon into another video. Bye.